Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the updated process of signing into Google Drive on your PC. Whether you're accessing your files for work or personal use, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get started quickly and easily. First, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, drive.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google Drive homepage. If you've used Google services before, you might already be familiar with this interface. Once you're on the Google Drive page, you'll see a prompt to enter your email address or phone number. Go ahead and input your information in the designated field, then click on the Next button. This is a straightforward step, but make sure you enter the correct details to avoid any login issues. Now that you've entered your email or phone number, it's time to input your password. Type in your password carefully, ensuring there are no typos. After that, click Next again. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you may need to follow additional verification steps. This extra layer of security helps keep your account safe. If everything is correct, you'll be signed into Google Drive. However, if you encounter any issues logging in, don't worry. You can click on the Forgot Email or Forgot Password links to recover your account information. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to all your files stored in Google Drive. This includes documents, photos, and any other types of files you've uploaded. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to navigate through your folders and files with ease. To enhance your experience further, consider downloading the Google Drive desktop app. This allows for seamless syncing between your computer and Google Drive, making file management even more efficient. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to sign into Google Drive on your PC with the latest updates. We hope this guide has been helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on using Google Drive effectively.